Okay, today I have this very old, it's a Sanyo. This old Sanyo stereo cassette deck, STD-1410. This is probably from the early 1970s. It features a tape deck, Dolby noise reduction, very early Dolby noise reduction, a limiter, and manual and chrome tapes, and VU meters. Now it needs a lot of work, as I'm going to power up. It still powers up, and the meters just move. That's not good. Huh. That's not right. Okay. I'm gonna play a tape. Still works. There we go. These meters are sticky, kind of. But it is working. Okay, I'm gonna stop that. Okay, put that back in my Walkman. Okay, so yeah, this machine needs a lot of work. First off, when you put a recordable tape, the record lever will not go down. It's stuck. I mean, stuck badly. And it's all out of whack. And as you see, the record tab is on the cassette, so it's not the cassette. So, yeah, we're gonna take this thing apart and get it serviced. Okay, I got it open. Whew, that's very old. Look at them old electronics. Damn, that's an old board right there. Holy shit, they actually use string to... They actually use string to keep the wires intact. But, as we can see... Oh, I didn't show rewind and fast forward. They don't do anything, but I think I know why. This belt is shot. The board looks good. Oh, I think I see what could be wrong with our record switch and why it's stuck. I think this grease may have hardened. Yeah, it's so stuck. I don't have a record tape in it. Hold on. There now. Yeah, it's still stuck. I don't know what it is. So, I'm gonna take this tape deck out and we're gonna examine it. Okay, well, they don't make this very easy, but look at these vintage electronic. Oh, look at, there's the Dolby chip. And there's the Dolby chip. Look at all these old electronics. Oh, jeez. I don't understand this camera. It's like, it has no fixed focus. This camera is a piece of shit. Try this. Over here we have... I think it might actually be easy to take out the tape deck after all, because it doesn't seem to be connected to this bracket which connects to this. So if I'm lucky, with just a few screws, I should be able to get the cassette deck out and leave all this alone. But geez, there's the old Dolby chip. I'm still learning this stupid camera. I don't know what's with it. It's like... But yeah, let me get this screw out and find other screws. Alright, this is it taken apart. For what I can gather, you put a cassette in. It lifts up this tab, and you're supposed to press it down, but it's stuck. And I mean seized. I don't think the button's seized. No, it's not seized. The button isn't seized. So, normally when you would press it down, you couldn't press it down because this piece would be blocking it. Because this piece would be blocking it unless the record tab was lifted, and then you could press it. But this key is jammed. So I think what we have is something to do with, I think our grease is dried up and has turned into glue, and this button just can't go down. So let me fiddle with it. Just by wiggling this piece a little bit, I've managed to free it. Now for the most part, I can press it in. Yep. It goes down now. Very, very gummed up though. But it does go down now. So I gotta clean the grease on that. And put, yeah, look at that. It's so sluggish. Yep, look at that. But it's free. Now I just gotta clean it. Just by taking alcohol on a toothbrush and scrubbing it has freed it. Hold on. I've freed it now. See? Look at that. See? Yep, nice and free now. Alright, I got it pretty much working now. But yeah, when I tap on it, this meter goes off. I'm tapping at the, what is that, left channel switch? One of the right channel or left channel switches, and as I tap on it, it comes back and gives me full stereo. See, now the meter's working. But if I tap on it again, it goes out. Sounds good though. So we don't have to recap it, I guess. Very finicky though. This one channel. Come on, make the goddamn connection. There we go. So I gotta clean it. Ew. Dirty. There we go. So yeah, this is gonna need a cleaning, but it is working. Gives me full stereo once that channel is beaten. That still works. Damn it. Alright, well, enough fiddling with it. Might as well check. Good news is that I'm still getting full stereo when I do this. So our switch is no longer dirty. Good, this is coming along pretty good. Well, I know why rewind and fast forward aren't working. This is kind of sticky. As I just turn it, freeze it up, so just gonna see what that gets us. Alright, well, I've got this working now. Fast forward works. And rewind works. And of course, play works. Wonder if everything's too gummed up for auto stop to work. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure that out next, but all of our controls are working. Fast forward, rewind, play. Auto stop don't work though. Looks like it's trying to though. Oh well. Well, it's successfully recorded. I recorded my 8-track. Let me try that again. So turn off the limiter and see what that gives us. Perfect. There we go. Now we're making a recording. As you can see, the record light is on. This machine's coming along. Auto stop is the only thing that don't work now. It never did, actually. I don't know if I really care for it. But yeah, that's the auto stop thing. That thing that's moving right there. Oh god, that's a little bit too high. I think our meters are out of whack. Oh god. Okay, so have the damn thing low. That's what I'll do. Have it at low volume, because I have it on loudness mode. That looks pretty good. Meters are... What the fuck's that? Is that the motor? I don't know what that is. Oh wait, I got the bass up. Bass. There. Okay. It's the motor, I think. Someone's developed squeaking. Let's hear this thing. This is old, and the electronics are still good. It's a lot of hiss without Dolby. I am curious. I have one of these tapes now, so, I am curious. Let's see how... I'm currently recording something on this with a brand new old stock tape, which I thought was metal, but it's chrome, so I have it set to chrome. But yeah, it's working. Listen to that shit. Copying a reel-to-reel mixtape I did so I can get it to YouTube. Not YouTube, onto a portable version of a cassette. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Alright, let's test it. Let me demonstrate to you the sound quality of this machine. This is the cassette tape I made. That's the cassette tape I made. Oh, wrong way. Oh, duh. Power it up. And play.
The best to you from Kmart Radio. KMRT.
It recorded well. Look at them meters go. And it cleaned up well too. And it cleaned up well as well. Pause. Dolby noise reduction, limiter, and Dolby noise reduction. Which we definitely need. Oh, Chrome makes it sound like shit. Turn that off. It's as if I'm playing the reel-to-reel copy. Let me fast forward our tape here. The tape counter works on it. The only thing that don't work is auto stop. That don't work. That's just gonna stay broke. I don't care for it. It's not really needed. Chrome mode sucks. Alright, I'm gonna rewind that. Don't need to get a copyright strike more than I've already have on my channel already. But this machine is working perfectly and records properly. And it sounds really good with headphones and with the external amplifier. This is the next thing we're going to get working again. The radio on it works, but the tape deck got a little problem on it. Actually, a big problem. But yeah, that's on the next on the list to get fixed. So, yeah. It also needs to be cleaned up. It's still got basement residue on it. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this mini repair of a Sanyo cassette deck STD-1410. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.